story of letter A, and its sound is ah, ah, apple, ah, ah, apple. It was a bright morning, and Annie the ant went on an adventure. She walked across an apple tree and met a smiling alligator by the pond. Hello, Mr. Alligator, said Annie. Would you like an apple? The alligator smiled and said, Ah, an apple! Amazing! Annie gave him a red apple. The alligator took a bite and said, Ah, ah, ah! Apples are awesome! Annie laughed and sang, Ah, ah, ah! I love apples too! From that day, whenever children say ah, they can remember Annie the ant and her apple adventure with the alligator.